Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to find restaurants open now on Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and as you can see, there is a list on the top of the screen. You will find a lot of things on it, and you will find the restaurants there. You have just to click on restaurants, and as you can see, it will give you all the restaurants near to you. And to find the open restaurants, you have just to click on open now, and as you can see, it will gives you all the restaurants near to you and they are open now. And you can choose top rated restaurants. You have just to click also on top rated, and it will show you the restaurants who are open now and also top rated. And if you can't find restaurants in this list, you have just to go and click on more and you will find it on the top of the list here, like food and drink restaurants. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video.